Zombie sells illegal brains on the side, makes a lot of money, wants to use that money to buy a haunted mansion, start a legit worm smoothie shop, show off to the other zombies. But problem, money is dirty. Not actually dirty, though it is slimy. Dirty equals came from crime. Zombie needs to hide where it came from. Make it look clean, safe, normal. This is called money laundering. Why launder money? If zombie tries to spend illegal money, bank gets suspicious. Government asks questions, zombie gets arrested. No more brains. No more fun. So zombie must cover it up. Make it look like money came from a normal business. 3 steps of money laundering. 1. Placement. Zombie puts dirty money into financial system. Buys fake business like restaurants. No one eats there but somehow makes millions. Uses fake invoices or ghost employees. Deposits small amounts into many banks to avoid attention. This is called smurfing. Not blue, just sneaky. Uses the money to buy things like art, jewelry, burial plots. 2. Layering. Now the money is in the system, but still looks suspicious, so zombie starts to hide the trail. By the end, no one knows where it came from. Zombie sends money between fake companies in different countries, transfers funds through offshore bank accounts and crypto wallets, uses fake names, fake identities, and secret zombie-controlled businesses, sets up complex loans, contracts, and trades that look legit but aren't. Everything is designed to confuse the system. Banks, police, even other zombies. Sometimes zombie gets so sneaky, even zombie can't follow the trail anymore. 3. Integration. Now, zombie uses the money like it's clean, buys mansion, starts new clean business, have a rich life. People think money came from normal stuff, but money came from crime. Is this legal? No, never. Money laundering equals crime. Even if zombie donates it to build a haunted orphanage for lost souls, still illegal. How do zombies get caught? Bank reports strange money activity. Money doesn't match lifestyle. Because janitor shouldn't own 6 castles. Fake business looks too fake. Someone talks. The money laundering zombie gets caught in the end. Final thoughts. Money laundering sounds smart, but it's dangerous. Zombie could lose everything, go to jail, get eaten by werewolf lawyer. Best option? Make money legally. Even if it's slow, even if it's boring, because clean money equals peace of mind. Clean money sleeps well. Dirty money gets haunted dreams. Don't launder. Use brain.